Hello everyone, myself Professor V.N.Ghodke. I am associated with Department of E&TC Engineering of AISSMS Institute of Information Technology. In this video, we will see interfacing of keypad with LPC2148 as a ARM7 microcontroller. Here, interfacing with the keypad, switch is the most widely used input device. When the switch is pressed, either low or high signal is given to controller depending upon the circuit design. This approach requires one pin for a single switch. With increasing requirement of input devices, more number of controllers pins are required which may not be available all the time. To reduce number of required pins, we can arrange keys in matrix form. So here in matrix keypad, keys are connected in rows and columns. When any switch is pressed, rows and columns come into contact, which is detected by controller to identify which key has been pressed. For identify the pressed key, we have to follow given procedure. First, set output port that is rows and input port that is columns. Ground first row and set rest of the rows. Read input port if all are ones, no switch in that row is pressed. Whenever any key is pressed, one of the input pin will be grounded by pressed key. By reading input pins, we can identify the column in which key has been pressed. Now ground second row and set all others rows at logic 1 and see whether any key has been pressed in that row or not. Continue same process until you find out in which row key is pressed. Once we know column and row in which key has been pressed, we can identify the pressed key easily. Now we can see here the interfacing diagram of keypad 4x4 matrix with LPC2148. In this schematic diagram shows that the LCD interfacing as well as the keypad interfacing. Here the we can use here the keypad is the 4x4 matrix that is called as a 4x4 hexadecimal keypad. Keypad connections we can use here for column read lines here for column P0.2, P0.3, P0.4, P0.5. So we can use the 1, 2, 3, 4 for column that is read lines and same P0.6, P0.7, P0.8, P0.9 rows for the scan lines. Okay, so we can use the port 0 here for the keypad connections and similarly for the LCD RS we can use the same here P0.28 enable P0.29 and for the data lines that is D0 to the D7 we can use the P1.16 to the P1.23. Now we can see here in short the embedded C program for interfacing of keypad that is matrix for vapor matrix with as well as LCD with the LPC2148 as a ARM7 microcontroller. Same here, first of all, we have to include the LPC2148 header file. Now LCD CMD unsigned integer, LCD data unsigned integer, delay is required, bin, and while loop also required in this case. Now IO direction registers 0 and 1, then LCD CMD continuously for all the data lines and first scan IO pin, then if IO pin switch IO pin whatever given here in this different cases with break and IO pin switch IO pin, then IO pin if IO pin third scan line according to second scan line, third scan line, fourth scan line, we can use that with the break and LCD CMD unsigned integer CMD data also, then return, then LCD unsigned integer out data and return, and then delay and then return. Thank you very much for watching this video.